So what's up guys, welcome to another fantastic video. So if you have been looking for a perfect way to withdraw your funds from this platform known as Wise, then I have a very important information to pass to you, because if you watch this video to the end, you will learn exactly how to withdraw funds from your Wise business account, or the best way you can actually get the best rate when you withdraw from your Wise account. So watch the video till the end, because I have a lot of information, and in other subsequent video I'm going to show you exactly how to make money using how to make money online, and then different ways you can actually earn money so that you can be able to be withdrawing money like we do as well. So watch the video to the end. So right here is a transfer I made February, I think on the 6th of February. This payment was from Wise, and this actually landed into our account, and we got paid, we got credited on this platform. Now the name of this platform is known as GetCleva, right? I've talked about this platform a whole lot of times on this channel. So with this platform you can get a US bank account, and you can actually convert currency. Currently this is what their rate is on the platform. $1 is going for around 1,319 naira, which is actually perfect black market rate, right? This is actually good. So this is our Wise account, and this Wise account is a business Wise account. Now I also have a personal Wise account. Now whichever one you have, if you have a business Wise account like me, or you have a personal Wise account, you can actually do this, right? When you have payments received into your Wise account, you need to send this payment to your to a US based account in order for you to get the best rate, okay? Because technically, yeah, this is what Wise is changing for. It's not bad, but when you change it, when you transfer this fund into your business account, into your let's GetCleva account like I showed you, you're gonna get even more value. But that's just a little different because there's some fees that is going to be attached, but very minimal fees, right? So now how do I withdraw money from my Wise? It's simple. So go ahead, get a GetCleva account, register, sign up, do all the verification and all of those things. Once you have done that, then you come to this add funds, then you scroll down to this what is it called, you take that to bank transfer, this one. And when you scroll down, you see that it has a minimum deposit fee of $1 and all of those stuff. You can read all their fees related stuff here, and then you're going to see your account details right here. So this is what you're going to add to your Wise account. So before I go straight and show you how you can add it, as you can see here, I have recently just sent, this is today as I'm making this video, I'm sending this small amount, $30, but they just took small change. So this is what I'm going to be receiving into my GetCleva account. So let me show you properly. So in order to show you properly, as you can see, I'm sending this payment, and this is on the 15th of March. This is when I'm making this video, right? And I just sent it today, and this payment is going to be received the next day on Monday, right? So this is when we're going to receive the payment. So keep watching as I'm going to now show you how you can do that. So in order for you to send payments, you're going to link your bank, right? But you can do it in two ways. First of all, you can just proceed and go ahead to click on send, and then it will ask you to add your bank or add your recipient, or you can just scroll down here and go ahead directly and add a recipient first, whichever one works. So if you click on recipient, I have this my recipient, and they are technically myself because I withdraw my funds, right? So as you can see, I have one from Lead Bank. Now this Lead Bank is gotten from GetCleva, because GetCleva is the one that gave us this Lead Bank account. As you can see, this is the Lead Bank, and then the other one, which is Wells Fargo, is gotten from Resonate. This is Wells Fargo, and we got this from this Resonate. You can also get bank accounts here, it actually works too, but today I just want to talk about GetCleva. So this is the one from Resonate, and right here as you can see, this is our account details here. So if you come here, this is the one. Now this is most my Wise tag, okay? This is my personal Wise tag. So now you can actually now add a new recipient by clicking on add new here, and then once you click on that, we just need to follow the description. So select the country and select the amount, select everything selectable, very simple, and you add it. I'm not going to add any other one. So once you've added the recipient, now you want to send money, so go back to home and click on this send here. Once you click on this send here, now you can then be able to send money. So it's going to ask you the amount you want to send and on the likes and who you want to send it to. So you just select. So let me say I want to send it to this one, this Lead Bank. So it's going to ask me the amount. So if I can say $100, and the for $100 I'm going to just be paying just $2 fee. Oh, it's not even, yeah, just $2. It's not even up $2. This is it. I'm going to be paying $1.13. I'm going to be paying $1.13 USD. So very small fee, right, compared to other platforms. Now once I pay this, I'm going to be receiving this into my account. So once I'm good to go, I click on proceed, but I don't want to continue. So yeah, once you do that, you're going to get your payment the next day, right? It doesn't take time for you to get the payment. Now the payment is going to arrive at your GetCleva account, and once it arrives, you're going to be getting a notification just like the one you see here. Once this one arrived, I got a notification that day, 5:12 p.m. February 6th. This is it. Okay, this is the let me see if I can see all the transactions so I can show you. So this is it. Okay, look at it. Okay, this is a local transfer. It just came in, and this is the money I received, and they took just a little fee. As you can see, we have this. So once we have this now, then we can convert this to Naira, and once we do our conversion, we can now be able to send to our bank account. So you also need to add your recipient here, which is your Nigerian bank account or whichever bank account you want to use to collect the payment. You add it here, and then you're good to go. So that is exactly how you withdraw from Wise, or the best way to withdraw from Wise, because now you're going to be getting this sweet rate, okay, which is currently the best. As at the time I'm making this video, it could change anytime, even when I upload this video or when you're watching this video later, it could change, but this is the current rate right now. So yes, tell me if you gained or if you understand what I just explained to you, or you need me to show you more ways to more ways you can actually use in getting a business account, in an account for you to withdraw your Wise funds. So I showed you GetCleva, and I also showed you this Resonate. The another one you can actually use is this one called Grail. So I mean, a lot of people, I don't know if a lot of people are actually forgetting about this platform, Grail, but I'm sure a lot of people know it. I've talked about it here on the channel so many times. Grail.co, one of the best platforms you can actually use to withdraw funds from Wise, from PayPal, Payoneer, whichever platform. This is one of the pioneers. These are the ones I first used early back in the days, and they still work perfectly, right? I only just started using some other one just to try it out and see exactly how everything works, because as a creative like me, I don't depend on one platform, right? I try to use as many as possible so that you can get conversant, and I can actually bring it to your notice right now to show you exactly how it works. So if I'm constantly just using one, there's no way I can actually tell you the difference or try to know exactly how one works. So that's why I'm trying out other ones. But this will actually give you a USD account, pounds account, euros account, and all the accounts you need for you to link to your Wise in order for you to withdraw those payments. So check it out, sign up if you haven't signed up, and let's see you guys inside. Okay, so let's see you on the other side. So now if you create this account, you're going to be given the option to create your bank account in US, Euro, pounds, and all the other stuff. Once you get them, you also link it the same way I taught you on how to link it to your Wise. That's exactly as you do it. You go to recipient and you add it, and then you send money into it, and then they allow you receive the money and then convert it at high rates for you, and then you can then go ahead to use the platform. So that is it. That's exactly what I wanted to show you guys today, and I know technically this will be very helpful to someone, and this is very, if it's helpful to you, all you just need to do is to like this video, share, and subscribe to the channel. So that's exactly what you need to know. Wise, thank you very much. And if you are looking for a way to make money online, you want to know exactly how to make money, how you can actually earn also for yourself so that you can be withdrawing, then stick to my channel, because I'm going to be dropping more videos and show you exactly how you can actually make money for yourself. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you very much. Okay.